take advantage of this good lighting while it's still here. I don't know if filming directly in the sun like this was a good or bad idea, but when this bar thing starts to cast over my face, we're all just gonna pretend like it's not there. What's up, y'all? Welcome back. Ooh, I hope I'm focused. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's me again. So today I'm gonna be doing a really quick video because I have to go like now. I decided to do a AliExpress designer dupes video. I love watching these videos when people find dupes from Amazon, AliExpress, eBay, and all that type of stuff. So I have 3 today to show you guys. I was gonna order some more before I made the video, but I just decided to make the video now, and then if I do buy more I could just, you know, show y'all. So the first dupe that I have is these right here. I don't know if y'all can see that. Let me focus it. So this is what they look like. I got this from, obviously, from AliExpress, and these are supposed to be a dupe for the what's it called, the Fenty bow slides. You know how they have the Fenty fur slides? I actually have some fur slides as well, but these are just the dupe for the bow slides. And originally, I don't know if y'all can tell, but the sole of the shoe is green and then the bow is champagne, and that's because when I originally ordered it, I ordered a champagne shoe, but they didn't have any more of the champagne soles, so they sent me these and then they refunded me like half. I don't know what they did, but yes, I wear a European size 39. You have to know your European size if you're going to buy from AliExpress, and I'll obviously leave these linked down below. But yeah, these are really comfortable. I'm exactly a size 39. They didn't have any weird smell when they first got here because I have ordered stuff from AliExpress before, and when it comes, it just has like a strange smell to it. I don't know how to describe it, but these absolutely don't have that at all. So these are my dupe for the Fenty slides. I don't know what else I'm supposed to say about it. I get compliments every time I wear these. They've lasted me a really long time. I bought these a while ago and they haven't like ripped or anything yet. I would say originally I paid about $11 or $12 for them, but after they refunded me the half, it came down to like maybe 7 or 8 or something like that. So those are the slides. The next thing I have was actually from a trend from last summer, and this is what it looks like. Let me just focus that for y'all. Ooh. Okay, so originally I bought this fanny pack off of obviously AliExpress, and it was $11. And when I bought it, this was supposed to be inspired by the Gucci fanny pack. I'll leave a picture of it on the screen if y'all know what it is. But basically Gucci has a fanny pack where it has these like chevron, like the little, I don't know how to call it. Okay, y'all, sorry. The camera cut off while I was talking, but I was talking about the fanny pack. Okay, so I actually wear this belt as a regular belt, like on an everyday basis, and it's really good quality. The inside is really sturdy, like it doesn't feel cheap at all. And I wish I gotten the one with like the little, I don't want to say straps, but there's little rungs on the side so you can attach a chain and wear it as a crossbody, and I think that would have been super cute with the little, like the Chanel pin that I have on it. Which is from Chanel, obviously, and like it sparkles and it's just really pretty, and I really like it. So the last dupe that I have for you guys is, I'm actually wearing it right now. Oh my god, my camera's about to die. This is it. So this is a dupe for obviously the Cartier Love bracelet, and the first time I saw it, I think I saw Kylie Jenner or Jordan Woods or somebody wearing it, and the way it works is basically like, it's like $7 grand or $8 grand, and oh my god, no, not the bar. So basically you're supposed to screw it on your wrist and then you never take it off. You shower with it, you cook with it, you live your life with it on. It's supposed to be a representation of love or whatever. And I saw Kylie Jenner and Jordan Woods, they would just wear like a stack, and I can't imagine how expensive that must be. But I don't have anything against the Love bracelet. If you want to spend $7 grand on a bracelet, do you, but I just don't have that money, and I really like the style. So Amazon also has a couple of these dupes, the kind with a screwdriver, but I don't want one of those because I feel like when you're showering and stuff like that, because it's not real gold, it'll eventually like wear away or turn green or just look not that great. Oh yeah, and the Amazon ones, I've seen a couple videos on them and they actually say Cartier inside, and I didn't want something that said Cartier if it wasn't Cartier. So I really wanted one that you can snap on and off, so I ended up getting this one from AliExpress for, it was like $280 something, but then I paid for shipping, so it was like $350, let's just say $350, and it came to me in a week. So it came really quickly. I just ordered another one, and that's why I wanted to wait to film this video so I could show you guys what it looked like when it was like brand new out of that package, and it was like not scratched up. I don't know if you guys can tell, but let me see. but the bracelet actually came with like diamonds and stuff in it. And but they, like, I'm not even gonna hold you, girl, they fell out. I did buy this over like 2 months ago, and I was like scraping my arm and washing dishes with it and stuff, so it's probably my fault that they fell out. But I kind of like how it looks without the diamonds. I still think it looks really, really cool. They have this in 3 colors. They have it in rose gold, silver, and white gold. Did I say rose gold, silver, and white gold? Rose gold, gold, and white gold, which is just silver. I hate it when people call silver white gold. It's just silver. But I personally just really like the look of gold jewelry by itself, so I just got the gold one and I ordered another gold one. So this is basically how you open it. So basically there's like a little line right there, right? Alright y'all, so my camera is notorious for cutting off, and it did cut off at the end of this video, but that was basically all I had to show you guys, and I really, really hope y'all like it. If you did, don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and that's it. Okay, bye.